my video and you will understand what can give you YouTube channel manager. First of all, I am Google search www.youtube.com, enter. This is interface of YouTube channel. Then I will click inside right hand side of this icon. I mark it my channel icon. Then I will click and press YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. This is interface of my YouTube channel. Click on setting. Click on setting. When I mark it, then permission, setting and permission. Okay, permission. This is interface of my channel permission. You can see my Gmail ID. When I was create my channel. This is Gmail, under the Gmail owner. Then I will click invite. You will give the person of Gmail ID. You can press Gmail ID. I can press Gmail ID. Okay, select manager. Done. So Gmail manager done. Then save. Save will interface. Proceed. I will click proceed. Then if you give your channel manager, you can press your Gmail password. This is interface of my my Gmail password. I can press. Next, this is verify. Your notification your mobile notification, Gmail 55, you can verify your number, that done will done. You will finish your video professionally software, and I hope you will understand. Your work is done. Now a Gmail will be sent the permission who give your the Gmail, and he will add your channel. Don't worry and don't afraid. He will not be delete your YouTube video, only he modified your video
উৎসবের খুশি
and
নগদ দেবে।
improving your
অ্যাক্সেসরিজ ও
video.
ফার্নিচারে
I will do
20%
that
পর্যন্ত
for
ক্যাশব্যাক।
the betterment of your channel. You do not need to private and admin access.
উৎসবের খুশি নগদ দেবে।
অ্যাক্সেসরিজ ও ফার্নিচারে 20% পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক।